Hey guys, Nathaniel here. Welcome back to Ambushak Revolution. As you can see here, I got the fireworks. It's really cool and it's really fast, guys. I would recommend you buying it because as I'm gonna jump in the game here, you'll see what cool actions this toy here. It could really pack a big punch. It packs a punch. Well, let's get started. Check this out. It moves super fast. I can't even control this. It's outrageous. I would really recommend buying this fireworks because it really works well. Watch how fast. It's really cool. Outrageous, guys. Holy shit, we defeated him, guys. We defeated him. Thankfully, we did. We did, guys. Now, guys, listen to this. While I was playing on the Shark Evolution, suddenly I had Gogas, and suddenly out of nowhere, Tempe Boss showed up. I was like really weirded out at first because normally I go by Kempty by his lair to see where he is, but he just showed up in front of me like a surprise party. He totally got me there out of nowhere. I like the way how that I'm really fast and speed. And it was again. the way to how we are so fast we actually escaped from Island. Big Daddy! Another Big Daddy! Whoa! Look at the speed! This is uncontrollable speed, guys. Oh no, I died. Bye guys, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Peace out.